Hey everyone! Welcome back to Life with God's affiliate Remote Jobs Girl. In today's video, we'll discuss the potential decline in the global use of the US dollar as a currency. Stick around to find out what's driving this change and what it could mean for the future of the global economy. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. The US dollar has long been the dominant global currency, playing a crucial role in international trade, investments, and central bank reserves. However, recent trends suggest that its dominance could be waning. Let's explore some key factors contributing to this shift. Number 1. Emergence of alternative currencies. The rise of the euro, Chinese yuan, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have presented viable alternatives to the US dollar. As these currencies gain prominence, central banks and investors may diversify their holdings, reducing reliance on the US dollar. Number 2. Geopolitical tensions. Trade disputes, sanctions, and political tensions between the US and other countries can undermine confidence in the dollar, prompting nations to seek alternative means of settling international transactions. Number 3. US fiscal policies. High government debt levels and ongoing debates over monetary policy could weaken confidence in the US dollar. If investors perceive these policies as unsustainable, they may opt for other currencies or assets to protect their wealth. So, what could a decline in the US dollar's global use mean for the future? While it's difficult to predict exact outcomes, possible consequences include reduced influence for the US in international finance, currency fluctuations, and a more diversified global monetary landscape. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this insight into the potential decline of the US dollar's global use informative. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more economic analyses and financial insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.